Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke product review video. Ringke screen protector install for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. I am doing the screen install in my kitchen due to the fact that it's a lot more dust-free than in my YouTube studio in the garage. As you can see, there are two screen protectors in the packaging. You do get an alcohol prep wipe, actually two of them, one for each of those tempered glass screen protectors, and you get a squeegee and micro cloth and the instructions, or you can just simply follow everything I do in this video. That right there, that little plastic tool is super cool. It's going to hold the screen protector in place, making it that much easier with the install, keeping the screen protector centered as you lay it down onto the display. When doing a screen install, make sure that you are not in a hurry, you're patient, and just having a good time. That way everything goes the way it's supposed to. And here is the screen protector. So what we're going to do now is take those four circular cutouts there and place it over the top of those four plastic prongs. And then we're going to take the little plastic cover and place it over the top. Now that is super cool. And that right there is going to hold the screen protector in place. Very simple, very easy. Now I forgot to mention you do get some dust removal stickers that helps collect any particles of dust lint that might have fell onto the display while I'm preparing for the final steps. At the top there is a little tab that is going to allow me to pull the film from the screen protector and lay it down onto the S23 Plus. I had to move it over just a tad bit. You got to do it quick or else you're going to get some dust and lint in there. And you can see the adhering process going on right there. You can just tap on the screen protector and that'll help that process go a little bit quicker. Got the squeegee there. Take out those bubbles. Everything is looking great. Now at this point, you want to remove the plastic cover over those four plastic prongs. Grab the bottom of the film over the top of the glass protector, and it's that easy. Look for any air bubbles, squeeze them out, but for me everything looks great. There's a gap all the way around the edge of the screen protector, top, bottom, and sides with the S23 Plus, which is going to make it case friendly, and that is good to see. Putting on the Fusion Clear from Ringke, and I'm going to tell you right now, no issues whatsoever. And with that, huge shout out Ringke. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I'm out.